Let's eat, guys. It's a comfort food. Yan, guys, oh. Sa malamig na panahon. Ayan, guys, oh. Dim-dim light. Ayan. So, I make a porridge. Everybody can have it. Simple, but tasty. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Init. Init po. Mainit po. While we are watching movie. Ayan, guys. Ay! Ayan. Very nice. Porridge. Ayan. Sorry, I cannot hold it.